Hi everyone, this is the Lighthouse Lady. I've wanted a lighthouse for my yard for many years, so I got a great idea. I contacted Specific Love Creations and asked him if he could make me a lighthouse when he had some time. Well, he did it, and it came out great. He did an excellent job building it. I will put a link below of the video that he made. It was step by step how he made the lighthouse for me. My husband poured a cement base and made a few modifications before installing the lighthouse in our yard.
And when it gets dark enough,
Cool. If you'd like to see more videos like this, hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment below, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe so you'll be notified. Thank you for watching.